Okay, just wait for a few minutes. Okay. Now where we were we were in display a U approach. Am I audible to you properly, or you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Display U approach. Okay. Now, what is the incorrect use and what is the correct uses of that? We used to say, thank you very much for your inquiry. There is always an inquiry section wherever we go. So we say, thank you very much for your inquiry. Do we say that we are happy to receive your request for? Do we say like this, that we are happy to receive your request for? Or we say, thank you very much for your inquiry, for your request, for your order? Which language we use? Which language we use? What is the correct uses of that language? मैंने यहाँ 2 सेंटेंस बोला, तो उसमें से करेक्ट यूज कौन सा है? थैंक यू है कि वी आर हैप्पी? कौन सा होगा? विच वन विल द करेक्ट यूज? Any one of you, Nehal?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one will be the correct? We are happy or thank you very much?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Okay, next one. Let us know whether we can extend, or what we will say, kindly let us know whether you require. Which will be the correct? Kindly let us know, or let us know whether we can. कौन से यूजेस करेक्ट है? प्रीति कुमारी, प्रीति कुमारी.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, कौन से यूज करेक्ट है? Priti, are you busy somewhere? Then you can leave the class.
No, ma'am, I am not busy.
Then why you are not answering? When I am asking, you are just muting and unmuting yourself. Is it a joke? I am telling you.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, but external sound will come, so that's why I'm muting.
Okay, please tell me.
Ma'am, I don't know the answer.
Okay, very good. Meenakshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which will be the correct use?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question? I am not
Yeah,
getting.
let us know whether we can, or kindly let us know whether.
Second one.
Yeah, second one. Kindly let us know whether you require or don't require something. And when we say that, let us know whether we can, this type of question we cannot ask to anyone. No. Next thing, we are glad we can now send our best music players. Next question, you will be glad to know that your music players are being sent shortly. In business letter, which language we will use. That we are glad we can now send your music players. Next one, you will be glad to know that your music players are being sent shortly. Ashish Poddar.
Ma'am,
Which
second one.
second one? Second one, because now it is, see, this is a time when we are convincing the customer that you are very important, we are very happy that you have ordered such things. Amazon में कभी भी order करने के बाद आता है thank you for placing your order.
Yes, ma'am.
क्यों? That they are showing that you are a valuable customer. If I will not say thank you, product किससे purchase कौन कर रहा है? Customer. और customer हमसे खुश नहीं है, whether we will purchase? No.
फीडबैक के लिए
या feedback?
वो कस्टमर जो सामान पहुंचा देता है फिर फीडबैक भी मांगता है।
हाँ, sometimes क्या बोलते हैं सर ये थोड़ा feedback दे देना, जो सेल्स बॉय आता है बोलते हैं ना इससे थोड़ा फीडबैक मेरे को दे देना। Why? Because हम अगर we give you a good feedback तो क्या होगा उसमें? उसका अच्छा जाएगा ना, जो नहीं ये अच्छा से डिलीवरी करता है कस्टमर, ये अच्छा से बिहेव अप करता है। फिर समटाइम्स इन some other app you will see what you like about the delivery, behavior, time. जब रिटर्न करते हैं, what is the reason that we are returning, what is the reason that why we are canceling, इस तरह का कुछ आता है, कभी देखे हो ध्यान से? कस्टमर
ma'am.
रिव्यूज, रेटिंग्स। ओके, कोई भी कस्टमर बॉय या कोई भी हमारा जो मतलब डिलीवरी बॉय रहता है, डू दे बिहेव रूडली विद अस? नो, दे आर वेरी कंसिडरेट। समटाइम्स हमारे घर के पास पार्सल आ गया एंड नाउ हमको क्या करना है, उसको रिटर्न करना। जब हम उसको रिटर्न करते, क्या वो गुस्सा के बोलता है कि जब आप ऑर्डर लेना ही नहीं था तो फिर आपने ऑर्डर क्यों किया? नो, ठीक है सर, कोई बात नहीं, ओके सर, दैट मच दे ओनली से। ओके, सो नाउ you have paid no attention to our complaint. Kindly look into our complaint. कौन सा हम बोलेंगे? Kindly look into our complaint, or you have paid no attention to our complaint. As a customer हम क्या बोलेंगे?
Kindly, ma'am.
काइंडली लुक
कितना जन यहाँ काइंडली बोलेगा? हम तो काइंडली नहीं बोलेंगे। I have ordered this, मेरा पैसा फंसा दिए, now you are not doing. As a customer हम क्या बोलेंगे? You have paid no attention to my complaint.
टेक्निकली तो वही बोलना चाहिए, लेकिन प्रैक्टिकली तो बोलने से वो लोग करता है जल्दी जल्दी।
नहीं, अगर हम इस तरह से बिहेव में उसको बोलते तो उसको क्या लगेगा? ये तो सर पे चढ़ेगी यार। तो हमको क्या करना है? वी हैव टू गेट दैट मनी, रिफंड हमको चाहिए ना, हमको तो रिफंड चाहिए। तब हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? काइंडली लुक इनटू माय कंप्लेन, this is to remind you that my complaint is not yet resolved. इस तरह से बोलते हैं कि नहीं? क्योंकि भाई हमको तो मेरा फंसा हुआ पैसा चाहिए। At that time we use this word. So कभी भी हमारे साथ कभी भी इस तरह को होता है, at that time हमको कौन सा यूज करना चाहिए? Kindly. Kindly look into my complaint, or this is a simple reminder to please look at my complaint, or this is to remind you that my complaint is yet not resolved. कहां से? From your end, आपकी तरफ से। Next one, we cannot grant you credit. We cannot grant you credit. Credit, what is the meaning of this credit? यहाँ पे हमको credit का यूज हम कहाँ कर रहे हैं? Credit का मतलब क्या होता है? Can you say what is the meaning of credit?
मैम एक बार फिर से रिपीट करिएगा।
क्रेडिट डेबिट होता है ना।
हाँ, डेबिट जैसे हम कहीं कुछ पैसा खर्च कर देते हैं तो मतलब कुछ पैसा निकालते हैं एटीएम से तो डेबिट करते हैं, और कहीं हम लोग के अकाउंट में कहीं से आता है तो उसको क्रेडिट हो जाता है, सैलरी वगैरह आता है ना तो क्रेडिट होता
मैम
है।
डेबिट में डिडक्ट का क्रेडिट
क्रेडिट
मैम।
क्रेडिट पॉइंट होता है वो अलग चीज है। क्रेडिट मीन्स बोल नहीं पा रहे मैम, मीन्स पता
अगर
है
हम
क्रेडिट।
1 मिनट, क्रेडिट और डेबिट हम बोल रहे, ठीक है। क्रेडिट का मतलब क्या होता है? पैसा जमा करना कि पैसा निकालना।
जमा करना।
जमा करना मैम।
और डेबिट का मतलब?
जमा करना।
डेबिट का मतलब
निकालना।
निकालना।
हाँ, ठीक। नाउ ग्रांट यू क्रेडिट का मतलब क्या होगा यहाँ पे? ग्रांट यू क्रेडिट, क्रेडिट का मतलब समझ में आया। अब ग्रांट यू क्रेडिट का मतलब
ऐड
क्या
होता
होगा?
है।
जैसे मैम फ्लिपकार्ट में एक पे लेटर का ऑप्शन होता है तो उसमें कुछ और जैसे कि कुछ हम लोग को क्रेडिट करके देता है, जिसका
हाँ,
वो नहीं रहता है तो उसको नहीं देता है क्रेडिट,
यस
सिविल स्कोर को देख के।
यस, इसको बोलते हैं ग्रांट यू क्रेडिट। हमेशा तो किसी को क्रेडिट नहीं मिल सकता है, देयर आर सर्टेन क्राइटेरिया जहां पे हम क्रेडिट को ग्रांट कर सकते। तो हम कभी हम लोग के साथ ऐसा, वी आर फेसिंग सम काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन, अब हम वहां पे क्या करेंगे कि हम आपको क्रेडिट नहीं दे सकते हैं। तब अगर हम क्रेडिट आपको नहीं दे सकते तो हम क्या डायरेक्ट बोल देंगे आपको नहीं दे सकते हैं? कोई बिजनेस कंपनी इस तरह से बोलेगा कि नहीं दे सकते आपको, दैट वी विल नॉट प्रोवाइड। हम लोग कोई भी बिजनेस नहीं बोलेगा। वो लोग क्या बोलेगा? We have carefully considered your application for a credit. However, as per our company policies, we are not in a position to grant you a credit. See the language. They are using which type of language? We have carefully considered your application for a credit. However, as per our company policies, we are not in a position to grant you a credit. Thank you. This type of language. क्योंकि कोई भी company, there is no company that will run on a loss. There is a marketing system they use to highlight their business. They make certain policies that to make profit.
बेटा ये कौन
क्या हुआ कुणाल? Any problem? Kunal, you have unmuted. Any question? Kunal Verma. No.
नो मैम।
Okay, sir. You have unmuted yourself. That's why I was asking that you have any problem. Now, next one. Up. Don't blame the reader. Next होता है क्या? Don't blame the reader. Business letter deals with a variety of professional situations. Some are pleasant, some are not, some are complaining. Okay. So there is a certain golden rule that they do not dash off a letter when you are irritated, or when we say that when you are furious. Even you have received that letter of complaints and charges, we have to keep our mind cool. We cannot blame any problem openly, and you cannot confess your mistake also. If you will confess your mistake, at that time you will be the only victim. So in that case, you have to explain, you have to clam your reader, means those who have written that letter, you have to clam them. You have to tell some lies also, so that you have to, sometimes you have to accept your faults also. So to accept means avoid these types of situations in future. Now, You have not mentioned the color and design of the smartwatch you wish to buy. Sometimes क्या होता है, कभी कभी the things, the color we are choosing for our smartwatch, we select, we pay, but we didn't get. We get some other color. Returning policy में क्या लिखते हैं हम लोग? I have got this color watch, I have ordered this one. आपका कंपनी क्या करता है? हाँ, मेरे को उल्टा सीधा सामान बेचता है, प्लीज रिटर्न माई और रिफंड. वो लोग वहां से क्या बोलता है? यस सर, वी विल पिक योर पार्सल्स एज सून एज पॉसिबल. नेक्स्ट, वो कस्टमर को तो बोल भी सकता, वॉच तो वॉच है, कलर का क्या प्रॉब्लम? No, because they do, if I will say to one customer, वो अगर openly highlighted up हो जाता है, that time it will affect our business reputation. हाँ भाई ठीक है, we will take it back. Now, next position हमारा क्या है? Blame हुआ. Sometimes क्या होता है, कभी कभी good reviews. When we want to purchase something, at that time we see the reviews, the stars, the ratings. और वो क्या होता है, किसी को अच्छा रेटिंग्स मिला हुआ रहता है, we purchase that product. हम लोग वो प्रोडक्ट को खरीदते हैं, नहीं, this rating is good. So उसका एक क्या हो जाता है? ब्रांड. No, this is a best seller. Best seller. इंसान
मैम
को
वी हैव क्लास,
या
इलेक्ट्रिकल ब्रांच का क्लास है मैम अभी, सिग्नल सिस्टम का.
ई है कि इसी है?
ईई इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग.
कौन लेगा अभी?
चायान सर.
चयन सर को बोल दो, मैडम का भी क्लास है हर ब्रांच का.
अच्छा ठीक है, बोलते हैं.
चयन सर को बोल दो कि मैम का ये क्लास है, वीक में 1 डे क्लास है, यही मैम का क्लास है, 5 ब्रांचेस का, 4 ब्रांचेस का आज के दिन, ठीक है? चयन सर को बोल दो आप लोग, जस्ट टेल चयन सर, this is a allotted class and all the teachers know this class is mean from 1:20 to 3 p.m. That's why EC's class is also dissolved. सौभिक सर का क्लास 3 से है और आशीष सर अपने से क्या क्लास ले रहे थे, I don't know. I have talked. This is my class only. There is no fault in the routine. So please inform sir. Okay, that madam class is here in a week, 1 day, from 1:20 to 3 p.m. onwards. Okay. Next, you have to carefully distinguish between I and we. I जो होता है, that is a personal pronoun, I, we and you. Personal pronouns में क्या होता है? I, we and you. And it plays an important in business letter. Whenever we are writing a business letter, it is perfectly appropriate to refer to yourself as I and the reader as you. Next, always use and always be careful while using a pronoun we in a business letter, because whenever you are writing a business letter on company stationery, since your company of what you are writing, when stating your opinions, use I. Your opinions you have to write I. ये हमेशा ध्यान में रखना. Whenever you are presenting your company policy, you have to write we. Now, correct use क्या है? I am targeting a growth of 50% in customer base expansion. This is incorrect. Your company is not your father's property. You cannot say I. It is a complete group of people. A group of people is running that company. So इसमें क्या हो जाएगा? Our company is targeting. Okay. For the growth of 50% in our customer base expansion. Next one. I am prepared to sign off the contract once the terms and conditions are clearly defined by you and me. Strong. We are prepared to sign the contract after the terms and conditions are mutually finalized. See the word, the use of word mutually, not I and me. Mutual understanding is there. Next one. Active and passive voice. Use of active and passive voice. You have not yet informed me. I have not yet been informed. We have decided to stop trade with them. It has been decided to stop trade with them. This is the correct use. You cannot say we, it, because it is a mutual understanding, so we use it. Active and passive voice सब में यूज होता है. कंपनी लेटर्स बोलो, नॉर्मल फॉर्मल लेटर्स बोलो, ग्रुप्स में बोलो, वर्किंग इन अ corporate sector, active and passive voice plays a very great important role. Next one. The chairman conducted the meeting in a routine way. The meeting was conducted in a routine way. You have not yet paid the balance amount. The balance amount is yet to be paid by you. The manager announced that DA will be enhanced from the next financial year. It was announced that the DA will be enhanced from the next financial year. Now, next part, your assignment part. What assignments you people have to make? Please write it down. Okay. All of you, please note it down, ready with your notebook and pen. I am giving you the assignment questions. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
You have to write a business letter. First one, acknowledgement letter. First one is acknowledgement letter. Written? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Acknowledgement letter. अब acknowledgement letter क्या होता है? What is this acknowledgement letter? See, acknowledgement letter क्या? Anyone have any knowledge about acknowledgement letter? पता है किसी को acknowledgement letter है क्या? Tell me fast. See, acknowledgement letter is that type of letter whenever you try to help someone or you want to support someone, when he or she is in a trouble and you required a person required a monetary help or guidance for completion of his tasks. Acknowledgement letter में क्या basically होता है? It speaks about your gratitude that you have. Okay, suppose I am telling something that we write this to appreciate the committed support and help we received from you in organizing a 3-day workshop on advertising policies and perspectives from this to this 2021 in Jamshedpur. Throughout the event, your suggestions and guidance help us organize the workshop in a systematic and methodological way. Everybody appreciated your commitment, positive approach, and professionalism. ये professionalism word इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है business letter. Please keep it in your mind. Professionalism. Because in your business letter, you cannot be any kind of personal relationship. It is always a professional relationship. Okay, we look forward to more such associates in the time to come. ये होता है acknowledgement letter. So in this type of letter, we are thanking something you have done for. That help you have done for the professional activities or professional life. So this type of letter you have to write. Next one is that write the next letter. Complaint letter. Complaint letter. Written. Have you written complaint letter?
Yes.
Okay. Complaint letter. Suppose Jio is giving me 5 GB data, promise me to give me 5 GB data per day, but it is only providing me 2 GB data. That time what we do, we write a letter in a complaint letter. And the questions you have to set, I'm just giving you outline idea. The questions you have to write the question first. After that, you have to write the letter. Now, and all things should be typed. No, nothing will be handwritten. This all things should be typed. Okay. Suppose this is to acknowledge the receipt of consignment containing 5 GB data per day as per the best plans. Okay, but in fact we are not getting 5 GB data as per you promised. Only 2 GB data plans we are getting per day. So we are trying to return this plan to you and please refund my money. You are further requested to send the fresh invoice covering the cost of the new order after crediting our account with the invoice value of the return SIM and plan, how much cost it has included. You have to write the include cost, keeping in view the vacation time that is just round the corner. We request you expedite the order at the earliest. While sending, please ensure a safe arrival. Either you return or either you provide a new SIM with a new plan. We look forward to your early reply. So, in complaint letter, what things should be included? You have to inform about the problem in a clear way. You have to refer to the order invoice number. Okay. While communicating. Next, you have to avoid being rude, angry, and humiliating in your tone. The last is that you have to suggest a solution to help you in other way to rectify that problem. Got it? इसमें क्या क्या include रहेगा complaint letter में? Inform about the problem. You have to refer which offer they are giving. You can take any other questions also. There is no problem. Suppose you are getting some parcel that is not working properly, or you have got some appliances that is not working properly. You can do such type of questions. I'm just giving you out frame layout. Just the layout I'm just giving you for your understanding. Now, complaint letter. 2 letters already is there. Third, sorry, I have given you already 3 types. One is complaint letter and और क्या था? Complaint letter था और एक क्या था? Appreciation.
Acknowledgement letter.
Okay, acknowledgement हुआ, complaint हुआ और एक आपका क्या था? Full block layout. है ना? Full block layout. And everything should be typed Okay, I'm showing you something how you have to submit these things. Just a minute. Where it is, I have to show to you people. Okay, just wait for a minute. I will show you that how you have to submit these things. In which way? Because the assignment is the main thing which you have to do. Okay, and I am sharing with you people. Just see. Oh my God, what happened? क्या हुआ? I don't know what happened. Okay, can you see the screen? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. See, which way you have to submit the assignment? You have to make this type of outlet. All these things should be there from which branch you go, means you belong to. You have to maintain the subject code if you are having, or just write GP seminar. Okay. Like this only you have to do, all people. And it should be colored. The first page should be colored. Getting? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, your name, your branch, your student ID, PDF. Only one PDF only you have to submit. The 3 letters should be in one PDF, the front page, after that the 3 letters. You don't have to submit single. You have to just write assignment, business letter, PDF. Assignment, business letter, PDF. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
3 letters you have to do like this only. Now, from your side, any confusion? That how we have to submit, how we have to write all those things?
मैम थर्ड लेटर क्या था?
Third letter, complete letter.
वो सेकंड वन.
Arey, this one is only third. Second one is acknowledgement. एक acknowledgement letter था. One is acknowledgement letter, one is complaint letter, and the first one is your full block layout. In the full block layout, you can write any of the business letter. Full block layout में क्या होता है? Every letter is written in a block letters. उसमें क्या होता है? Letter head, reference number, date, inside address. After that, inside address, everything is on the left hand side margin. After that, solution, main body, complementary clause, signature and enclosure. Okay.
मैम फर्स्ट वाले में कोई भी टॉपिक पे लिख सकते हैं.
हाँ, first वाले में आपको any topic you can write. Second one also an acknowledgement letter you can write on any of the topic. But acknowledgement letter जो होता है, I have already discussed how it is being written. Acknowledgement letter में उसमें आपका क्या रहता है? First में sorry, first में आपका क्या रहेगा? Your letterhead, your address, your phone, your mail, your fax. After that, the address, date, सॉरी द रेफरेंस नंबर हो रहता है ना लेटर हेड का जितना भी रेफरेंस नंबर है, देखियो कभी CC.BSH.0019 द रेफरेंस नंबर टाइप जो रहता है दैट वन, आफ्टर दैट द डेट, आफ्टर दैट मिस्टर सन्नी सिंह, इवेंट मैनेजर, 428 block, Bokaro, pin code, after that dear Miss or dear sir, madam, we write this to appreciate the committed support that help you to receive from you in organizing a 3-day workshop. I have told this is the acknowledgement letter. ठीक है? Last में क्या रहता है? After that the content, we look forward to more such associations in the time to come. Thanks and regards, yours sincerely, Priyaranjan Kaushal, coordinator. Got it? कोई confusion? Acknowledgement letter? Because now you are getting professional and in your life you will get many a times when you have to write this type of letter. An acknowledgement letter is a very important part. Confusion? अब acknowledgement letter में confusion है किसी को? If anyone is having any confusion, please tell me. Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No. और complaint letter?
No, ma'am.
Complaint letter. Complaint letter में क्या रहेगा include हमारा? Inform about the problem in a clear and precise way. Next one, refer to the order, invoice number to avoid ambiguity in communication. Third one, avoid to being rude, angry or humiliating in your tone. Fourth and the last one is that you have to suggest a solution to help the other to rectify that problem. Suppose you have ordered some of the bed sheet through consignment number 2021 112233. We regret to inform you that the texture, color and print are not as per your specification of your order. Okay, this is the question. You have to just write, dear sir, this is to acknowledge the receipt of this consignment, this. After that, since it is a bestseller, it's quite a demand recently, we are quite optimizing. Khatam. We are returning a parcel containing this much. You are further requested to send a fresh invoice. After that, we look forward to your early reply, your name, your position. Okay.
Ma'am, third one.
Third one is only this complaint letter. Acknowledgement letter, complaint letter, and the first one which I have told you, you have to just write any of the letter in that layout. उसमें आप कोई भी लेटर उस लेआउट में लिख सकते हो. You can write any of the letter. Okay. Clear? Or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.